Hello, my name is Stephan Zeidler and I'm with GE Additive. I'm responsible for the business development medical in GE, and today we are at OMTEC 2019 in Chicago. As you might know, we offer EBM and DMLM equipment, and one of the most common questions directed to us is, what is the best match for a specific application or an application in general? Well, tough question, but if you would walk the floor down there, we would find a lot of customers using EBM and DMLM equipment from GE Additive. But it's really hard to give a general statement on the question. It really depends on the customer preferences, on the specific medical device design, but also on the overall process. But, for example, if you're looking for higher surface roughness and more open structures because you think it's contributing to your application, EBM might be the better match. On the other hand, if you're looking for more intricate parts, delicate structures with lower surface roughness, it's a good indication that DMLM is a better match for you. If you're willing to find out more, please visit us at ge.com/additive.